Hey guys, just wanted to reconstruct 3 5-second solves that I got this past week. And so here you go. So here's the first scramble. This is a 572, or this was a 572. We got a nice scramble here, especially on white, where this orange piece is already connected. So you can do something like that to connect the orange and blue, and then a D2 to insert this red one, and then another D2 to complete the cross. And as you do that, you notice that this red and green pair will not be affected. So that was the first pair that I was aiming for. As I was doing that, I didn't notice that this orange-blue pair would be already made. And so as I break this up to solve, this is actually our first pair that we made. So that was nice. So rotate, second pair there, third pair, and then fourth, and then just regular insert, and then a nice PLL skip there. Here's the second one. This was a 588. Not too great of cross. Yellow doesn't seem that bad. Not too great, yeah. But on white, I saw that you can push this red piece there, so you can insert blue and red at the same time, and then U D prime to do the same thing with the orange green, but on the right side. And then we have this pair already, well, not already, but easy to find. So you can go straight into that. And then this was the next pair I was eyeing. There's two ways you can solve this. You can do something like this to solve it in the back. But what I did was just rotate and then solve it in the back right like that. And I think I chose that because I would have two solved F2L pairs in the back. And as I was inserting this was my next pair. And then this would have been the last pair here. So rotate, solve that. And we have this relatively easy OLL. And this is an OLL that it's a good OLL to predict the PLL, because this is just basically a 3 cycle with the edges. So this edge goes here, and this edge goes in the back, this edge goes here. And because the headlights are unaffected and will stay here, and orange goes here, I predicted that I would have gotten, what's it called, an R perm. So I did that, and then do a U prime, correctly predicted that it was an R perm, went straight into that, and there you go. All right, here's the last one. This was a 591, unfortunately, and I say unfortunately because of what happened between the OLO and PLO. So right off the bat, we got this nice 2x2x1 block here with the white. Yellow's not too bad, but I figured since I had this 2x2x1 on the white, I would have just gone with the white cross. And you can see that this blue and red edge is here already in its place. So needed to find a way to try to preserve that to make an X cross. And inadvertently, the way I planned out my cross, it turned out to be a double X cross because of this red and green edge here with the red and green corner here. So what I did was D prime to align this orange cross piece in its correct place. And all I needed to do was do a D to insert this green edge. And as you can see, this corner is correctly placed, red and blue is correctly placed, and red and green was unaffected by that. So after all that, it's a double X cross, and it's a nice double X cross because they're both in the back. And so after that, I was eyeing this orange-blue pair next. So I did this, rotated, inserted in the back, and then free pair here, inserted like normal, and then this very easy OLL, And then here, I think I was at like the 3.54 second mark. So this was a very good potential to be a PB, but unfortunately I get an E perm here, and I fumbled around with the recognition because I thought it was a V perm. And that took me like half a second, and then I rotated, recognized it was an E perm, and then fumbled around with the algorithm a little bit. So that took me like another half second. But yeah, nice, still a nice 5 second solve regardless. But yeah, there you go. 3 5 second reconstructions.